Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Charity Nakito is my name. Today I'm going to teach you on how to create a Microsoft Excel document. As I told you that my videos will basically be teaching you on how to use a computer and most of the things used on a computer. Before the previous video, we looked at how to create a Microsoft Word document and the uses. So guys, here we're going to look at the Microsoft Excel document. And you may be asking yourself, what is it used for? So this one, we normally use it to create report cards. As I told you that computers came to simplify work. So this is the one used for creating the report cards. So how do we open it? Like, how do we create it? You come here on this start icon, you tap on it once, and then you see it brings this searching option. You come here and then you type in the word Excel. You see when it has brought it before I finish. So this is the Excel document. You tap on it once and then it is opening. So when it opens, you see that they are giving us this option of a new one. So since we need a new one, you tap on it and then it will open. So this is our Excel document. And let me first tell you the basic components of it. It contains these are what we call the columns. The columns are the alphabets. These are A, B, C up to Z, and then these ones are the rows, numbered, use the numbers. So this one we see here is the cell. So a cell simply is the intersection of a column and a row. So the intersection of a column and a row gives us what we call a cell. So here we can see that it is highlighted, meaning it is the active cell. So this one here is the formula bar. So, and this one is the name given to this. Let us type in any word. So when you see this is the name given to this cell is called the cell reference. And where do you get it? It is here. It is showing us that this work type, it is in B2. B2, B stands for the column and the 2 stands for the row. So this is the cell reference. Cell reference is the name of the active cell. And then this is our formula bar. When I talk of formula bar, I mean if we are putting in formulas, like take for instance, if this was if we type here like 2 and then here like 3 and we want to add their total, here you say you type in equals, you say you want to add this cell plus this cell. So this is, you say that cell and then a plus this cell and then you say enter. So the formula we have used for getting this answer is displayed here in the formula bar. So what I've typed, you even seeing that it is bringing formula bar, this word. So what I've typed in is a formula. So we can also even use the function. When I talk of function, these are inbuilt formulas without you generating the formula. Like we wanted to get the sum of these So if I don't want to use the formula, use the function, it is inbuilt. And how do we get? You say equals, and here we are getting sum. We are getting the sum. You see it is here built. So you come and tap on it, and what are we summing up? We are summing up this cell reference, and here you put the comma and this one, and then you close. You say enter. You see it will also give us the same answer. So what I've done is what we call this one. What I placed in was a formula, was a function, not a formula. So this is what we are going to be using basically in this Excel. And in my next video, we shall see on how to create a report card. And so guys, you see the function has been displayed here, the one we have used for getting this answer. So therefore, that's basically I wanted to introduce to you the Excel. And then not forgetting that when this page here we are on, for the Word is called a page and for the Excel is called a sheet. So we are on sheet 1. When I want to create another sheet, you come on this plus sign, you tap on it, you create another one. You can also tap on it, you create another one. You can create more and more. And then a collection of these sheets gives us what we call a workbook. So this is what we can now go back to our sheet we were on. So this is basically what I wanted to share with you. And then saving, after doing all your work, you can come here, you come to file, and then you choose this option of save as, and then we want our work to be saved on a desktop. So and then you put in a name. You can say charity. Let's name it charity. And then charity. So after naming it charity, and then you come here and say save. So our work will be saved, members. So let us first go and see whether we shall find it here. So you can see that our work is here. This is our file Excel, Microsoft Excel worksheet. So this is what we have been doing. So you can even open it, you double tap on it, and then it opens. You go back to your work. So this is basically what I wanted to teach you through. So our next video, wait for our next video, which will show us, we shall do check on how to create a report card. Thank you very much for attending to me. We meet in the next video.